Good morning, everybody. I'm making myself a little coffee first. Today is actually Kobe's birthday, my little 8-year-old boy. We're gonna take him to Central Park in a little bit, meet up with some doggy friends. And then I think we're gonna pick up a cake for him. Samson and I actually just got back from Aruba last night. I love being in warm water and like warm weather, so it was really relaxing. I didn't really vlog much just because I wanted to just take some time to relax, be off my phone and be off, you know, social media. Now we are back to reality and it is time to celebrate Kobe's birthday. What do you want, buddy? Pick out a toy. Whoa, Kobe! Can't catch it. Oh, good job! Good boy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kobe. Happy birthday to you. Yay, Kobe!
It's like a recess pieces.
This is gonna take him so long.
Ew! You saw that?
Yeah, he's drooling like crazy. As long as he's happy, I guess.
That's it for now. I'm about to go take my passport photo. My passport actually expires in a month and I did not realize it until recently. Kind of did a soft glam look today. It's a little bit more glam than I usually would, but my last passport photo was really bad. This was my passport photo from 10 years ago. I think this was like 8th grade or 9th grade. That's a bad passport photo. I did my hair kind of in this like half up and I'm not sure if I like it. If I put this on, which is kind of like a slick back hair kind of glue thing, then there's no going back. I think this will just have to do. I am doing a full-on self-care kind of day today. Put in like my hair serum, my scalp serum, so that's why it's looking a little greasy right now, but my hair does need a wash. Right now I'm about to do my nails. I've been doing my own gel nails at home, which one saves me so much time and two saves me money too. Right now my nails are pretty bare. Once in a while I like to have this like self-care day. I love it that it's in the comfort of my own home too. So if you're in need of a little little self-care day. Maybe do your own nails at home, yourself a little facial at home. I love just kind of like pampering myself at home, you know? I also just got this new candle. It smells so good. So for today's nails, I think I want to do something pretty simple. They're kind of like baby yellow French tips plus some chrome. And I just got this color. First thing is to prep the nails. I usually watch a show while I do my nails. I'm almost done with Daisy Jones and the Six, and first of all, it's like one of my favorite books ever. They made it a show. I was kind of scared that they were going to screw it up, but it's so good. Like, the characters are literally just as I imagined them. Definitely recommend. I just finished my nails. It actually took forever because doing French on my right hand was so hard. Cute for spring. Now that I am all done with my self-care, skin is glowing, I want to make some food, and I think I'm going to make my go-to comfort meal. It makes me feel good and it's just so quick and easy. If you guys have watched my other videos, you might know what I'm about to make. Good morning, everybody. Simpson got me Starbucks this morning. It's the spot. Today is going to be kind of a long day. I have a workout class in a little bit. I have some work to do, edit the vlog. I have an event tonight. It's really exciting because it is at the Met Museum after hours. It's an event with Sowasu, which I'm a huge fan of their brand. So I am really excited for this event. I'm a little bit anxious about it too. I don't go to a lot of events, honestly, just because, I don't know, I get in my head about it kind of, and I just have a little bit of social anxiety at these sort of events, which is kind of weird because I never used to have them in the beginning. When I first started content creating, getting invited to these events, I would sometimes just go alone and it would be perfectly fine. I don't know if it's because of like COVID or like something has changed in these past 2 years. It makes me a little anxious to go to these sort of events. I've been trying to go to more recently, just getting myself out of my comfort zone. I've feel so grateful to be invited to these brand events. It's just such a great opportunity to meet up with friends and to talk to the brand. So that is what I'm doing, getting out of my comfort zone. Tonight, Samson is actually coming with me. This might be like his first time coming with me to an actual event. That should be really fun, meeting up with some friends there. And it actually is a cocktail attire, which is fun because I love to get dressed up. Let me show you what I'm thinking about wearing. Okay, first option, this black dress. It's like a high neck, and then the back is a little bit lower. I've never tried this on. It's from Revolve. This is the second option. I just got it from Rat and Boa. It's so cute, but I don't know if this is like cocktail attire. I mean, I have to try those on later. That was a pretty hard workout. My body feels like jello, quite sweaty.